Thor is built for high efficiency and broad coverage. Its powerful design enables quick mowing of large areas. Get a consistently pristine cut with Thor. Experience advanced battery management with Thor. The mower returns to its charging station with pinpoint accuracy for a fast recharge, minimizing downtime and maximizing your mowing time. With integrated dual RTK, LiDAR, and vision sensors, Thor achieves pinpoint accuracy in navigation. These advanced positioning technologies work together to create precise maps and ensure efficient coverage of your mowing area. Thor's intelligent obstacle avoidance system detects obstacles in real time and automatically adjusts its path. This proactive approach ensures both safety and uninterrupted mowing operation, even in complex environments. Thor is engineered to perform safely on slopes up to 25 degrees or 46%. Verify that your terrain's gradient is within recommended limits for optimal stability and smooth operation on inclined surfaces. Dual-wheel drive on each side delivers superior traction and stability, superior slope climbing, and reliable anti-slip performance on all terrains. The adaptive front axle continuously adjusts to varying terrain. Even on bumpy or irregular surfaces, Thor maintains a smooth ride and consistent cutting performance, ensuring a professional finish every time. Watch Thor's cutting system in action, in slow motion. See how the rotating blades deliver a clean, uniform cut, ensuring that every inch of your lawn is perfectly manicured. When precision is paramount, switch to spot cutting mode. Thor offers manual control for detailed trimming, allowing you to address hard-to-reach areas with exceptional accuracy and flexibility. Explore Thor's intelligent app, Sveamo. You can plan various mowing paths, adjust spacing, schedule tasks, and monitor performance in real time. For your peace of mind, Thor comes with built-in security. In case of unauthorized access, its theft alert system and PIN code protection immediately secure the mower, safeguarding your investment from tampering or theft.